What's up, guys? This is Chef Manish again with you, and today with my chef jacket. It's actually 1 month. I'm not in my kitchen, so I was missing my jacket. So I thought, let's make a call today and cook in my chef jacket. So I'm gonna make today dal makhni, and dal makhni in my restaurant style. And it's a unique way of making dal makhni, and I can tell you one thing, you're gonna love this recipe because I'm not gonna use a lot of spices in it. Whatever spices I'm gonna use, they're gonna be fresh. So let's do this cooking. And for this recipe, I already have done some pre-preparations, so you have to do it in advance. Like you have to soak your dal one night before so that you can cut short that cooking time. Otherwise, dal makhni dal, the black lentil, takes a lot of time to get cooked. So let's start. So for dal makhni, I soaked 1 cup of black dal and half cup of rajma a night before, and I cooked it in this cooker, on a medium heat, given it 4 whistles, 4 to 5 whistles is good enough. So let's make the tadka for the dal. So take a kadai and add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, or any cooking oil you guys like, and let it get hot. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of hing. Hing is good for the digestive system. And adding almost like 2.5 tablespoons of chopped garlic. And now we have to brown this garlic. So I added my dal to the masala. Use a masher and mash your dal with this. If you don't have masher, you can take a half quantity of dal in electric blender and just coarsely make a paste of that and add to your rest of the dal. That's how you're gonna get that restaurant style creamy consistency of the dal. Or you can use the back of the ladle and you can do that. So now we have to wait till it get the first boil. I'm feeling my dal is a little thick, so I'm gonna add some water to it so that it get a nice boil and consistency. So our dal got its first boil, so we have to keep stirring it till the time it's having this scum coming on the sides, and keep layering it. So the key of making a nice and silky creamy dal makhni, how long you gonna cook it. So at this point we're gonna add butter to it. So if you don't want to add butter and you want to make a healthy version of your dal, then put it on slow flame here and keep cooking it for another 10 to 15 minutes, and stir it occasionally so that it is not sticking to the bottom, because it's having tendency to stick to the bottom. Or if you want to make a completely restaurant style dal makhani. Then we're gonna start adding butter to it. So I'm using almost 3 tablespoons of butter. Keep stirring it. Now all the butter is melted, so we have to put it on a slow flame where it get a generous boil, and cook it for another 20 minutes like this, and keep stirring it in intervals. So dal is been cooking from last 20 minutes. You can see the consistency also now, it's good. So we have to add cream to it at this point. So this is also can be avoidable, if you don't want to add cream, if you want to eat it healthy, so you don't have to add it. Or if you don't mind cream, then I am adding 2 tablespoons of cream to it. Ready, give it one boil and just switch off your gas. Your dal makhani is ready. Check the seasoning and add more salt or more chili if you want. I'll suggest do not add any other powder spices like coriander powder or garam masala, otherwise you're gonna lose the flavor of the dal. So we got our boil, so our dal is ready. So let's do the plating. So just adding some cream on top like you get in restaurants. And your dal makhani is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video, and hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe, share with your friends, and let me know what else you guys want to cook. Thank you.